Hello, students. Today, we're going to learn how to insert a drawing using Google Docs.
Are you ready? Science.
Today, we're going to learn how to insert a drawing into Google Docs. We're going to use our modeling activity to demonstrate that. I'm going to share my screen with you right now. And here is our worksheet that you'll be able to get to. So first off, remember that your drawing is a model about what might be happening in your experiment. Models should include a labeled drawing of every part of the experiment, how the parts interact with each other, and other information that helps us understand what is happening. That could be arrows, that could be wiggly lines to show movement, all kinds of stuff. So step by step, you're going to explain what you did. So for example, what if my experiment today was my experiment that I chose was turning on a light, which is not one of your experiments. 1, turn switch. 2, light goes on. 3, I wonder why. I will make a model to show this. So you're going to go to Insert, Drawing, New. This is going to open up Google Draw, which is a great little program for this. So maybe I'm going to say, I'm going to use lines. I'm going to say like this is going to be my light switch. I could make it bigger, but it's okay. Just making lines. Doesn't have to be perfect, right? But I get that that's a light switch there. Oh, I don't want a long line. I could also make shapes. So I'm going to do a shape like this to do my light. And then I can make another shape. Is there a square? Here it is, of course. Duh. So there's my light. And maybe I'm going to show that it's on. I'm just going to do lines. I wonder if I can do free draw. If I click this arrow here, I can do scribble. So now I'm going to say like, oh, you know, this is the light on. I need text right here. I need to say that this is light switch. Right, now we know that's the light switch. Just to be clear, it has to be labeled. I'm going to say lamp. Lamp turns on and off. Right, and then why do you think that's happening? Right, maybe is it Wi-Fi? Is it because of the wires that are connecting? Is there something that happens when I turn that switch? It's up to you to do your model, but I want it to explain your event. I want it to explain what your experiment was and why it happened. So I'm going to say, I think, oh, I forgot, right? We've got our plug. Right? And it's plugged in, isn't it? Sorry, it's a terrible plug. I'm going to call that power socket. Right? And so the light switch is, I can move this too. In the wall, right, the light switch is actually connected to the power outlet. Outlet is what I should have called that. And then there's also a plug that goes to here, and I would label that as well. And so I would say in my explanation, maybe just put your explanation here. When you turn the light on, the electricity flows from light switch to the power outlet, which causes the light to turn on, period. Okay, now I'm going to save this, whatever it is. Remember, this is not going to be your example. This is not one of your experiments. You have 4 choices of experiments to do today. Save and close, and there you have it. You've inserted your very own personal drawing into Google Docs. Have a great day. I hope you can use this in this class and in other classes. Remember, you go to Insert, Drawing, New, and it opens that up. It's a very cool tool, and I hope that you guys enjoy this activity. See you later.